Whoa, give me some Yo, I'm going to take number right hand. We can't take number left hand.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yes, no man. Give thanks again enough for life, health and strength and a blessed love. You don't know a lion foot, the man of pace. You see me, we're there up on the grind. You see me, I say, big up the hard working people out there. Give thanks to life, health and strength. Give thanks to another day. Anyway, when I watch the vlog here right now, you know, love and blessings, you know. You know, we keep it really on the battlefield. Guidance and protection upon your loved ones, see? Yeah, man, in this vlog, I want to give some praise and kudos and credit and flowers to boy, Ragga Ruggie, man. Do it. See me? Ragga Ruggie and MJ, big up Spice. I love the highlight there. Love the moment there. You see me? We also have JNR on the ground. You know, JNR the day already in the UK, you know, man back on the ground. I'm jealous. Man up on him farm and the man eat him jelly and him yam and him coke and him potato and yo, right, I'm gonna miss Jamaica, you know. Anyway, don't go nowhere. We are forward.
Complete. When I said I want you, I meant it. I know you would come along, girl, I dreamt it. I made you, I made it. Your energy, I can feel it. When I said I want you, I meant it. I know this day would come, I dreamt it. I made you, I made it. The truth, me, I reveal it.
Yes, my people, welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. Don't forget to like and share the content. I know one thing with Lionfoot, real, we keep the thing real on the battlefield, you know. It's not about the numbers, it's about the message we reach out and you know what I mean? Yeah, so I have a new song right now, I Want You, release ready. The video drops soon. Big up Michelle. You know, you see me I say big up Daz, the director. You see me, but that song a trend right now. I never surprised. Big up Bright. Boy, I'm so quite surprised. The song a trend in Africa, Kenya. And it just, I tell you, God is good, you know. Yeah, man, God is great, you know. Yeah, man. The song a trend in Kenya. I don't know if you say I'm speechless, but anyway, my people, I'm going to check out the song and practice the dance move and do a video. Tag I am Eric, tag the artist on TikTok or you see me Instagram. The song a trend and we can't hold it back. You see me, we're just grateful. You see, but anyway. This vlog is not about me, it's about JNR and Ragga Ruggie, you see me? Yes, man, so, what JNR up on the ground?
Whoa, give me some Hey. Yo, I'm going to take number right hand. We can't take number left hand, yo. Yes, yo. Do it then, I cannot facial.
Yeah, man.
Pussy, do this and beat me. This enough to do and beat me, yeah. Yeah, do this and beat You have an icon at bat. Everything I go straight by the head to your heart. What? Yeah, man, flossy.
Yo, me not tell a lie star. JNR, me jealous. Big myself, JNR Junior. Johnny goes through. Me see you on style of Jeep on the ground. You see me link up a good look, you know? Great look. You see me? So JNR upon him farm, me people. Man, I eat up him coconut jelly, them man. You know what I mean? In coconut jelly. And I wash them face with them jelly. You get me? Yeah. I tell you. Yo, so then jelly they're big and then jelly they're full of meat. One thing I love my jelly, you know, but I love the meat. I love when time I can scrape out the meat and I just, you get me? Yes, man, wash off the heart, you see me? So you don't know, it's a country lifestyle, you know, bountiful, you know? Big up the whole of rock all above rocks. Fire look, big up yourself. You see me? Yes, man. So that's just a quick look highlight for me to see where JNR, the going with the farm. Farming is good. Big up all of the farm of them. 14 parishes of Jamaica. Big up all of the farm of them. You see me I say? Farm. Reap, sow, reproduce, till the soil. You know, so I say bonus cool, your cool skill and all of them things there. You see me? Farming is good. We need back the farming for a trend. Too much processed food. You see me? Yeah, man, not good for the body, you know? So big up JNR International. I don't know. If you know about JNR, link him up or link me up. If you know about iMaric, link up JNR. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, I'm one part. So moving on, I don't know, the Wireless Festival kept the other day, over the weekend, and Vibes Cartel was here. Good, you know what I mean? Shellings, you know? Drake, Burna Boy, who else there? Popcorn, you know what I mean? I saw, even think that they are doing more thing to what him link up with Cartel, them Sean Storm. You see me? It was just a great look. But Spice gave MJ and Ragga Ruggie the platform to go and express their talent, and they did. None of YouTubers got blacklisted. Watch out.
Spice, manners and thanks for the opportunity. Spice, boss you again. Spice, manners and thanks for the opportunity. We love Spice. Ragga Ruggie said that. Everybody artist, mix and win and dance. Yes.
They're outside. They're thinking already. I'm a new team. Yes. London, they will fight for the career.
London, are you ready?
Awesome.
I tell you now, if you don't want to see the full thing, go over my Instagram page. I don't go to see it already still, but I don't know, I just highlight it because I'm always late, you know, you see me? Better late than never, you see me? Yeah, man, but a good look, man. MJ and Ragga Ruggie, them are do it, you know what I mean, for a long while now, together, as a team, you know what I mean, and so I say, a good look. You have to just try, keep pushing, you know what I mean, whether you're a dancer or you're an artist, keep pushing, you know, male and female, keep pushing, keep knocking. One day, you see me? And right now, Real Spice, she got sign them. You see me? I feel a dancer them. I mean, I love the chemistry, I love the connection. And I hope fully she sign them for true and have, you know? Boss them, yeah man, bring them on the platform, not just in England, America, all about. As I say, as a team. I feel like them would go well with, I feel like they would go well with the female dancer them that she has. Especially MJ, you know, MJ are the dancer, you know? And it look like him impress Spice. Yeah. If you know Spice, I react to him, you know? And find him, I say, sign him. Yeah. I said, I got a real thing, we have to keep the thing real, you know what I mean? On the back of feel, you see me? Yes, big up Ragga Ruggie, I big up MJ, I do a life with the man of peace, a blessed love. And please, go check out the song I Want You, and use up the sound. The African them do it, so why my fellow Jamaicans them can't do it too? Woman and man, yeah, local and abroad, eh? Yo, big up, I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth.
When I said I want you, I meant it. I know you would come along, girl, I dreamt it. I made you, I made it. Your energy I can feel. When I said I want you, I meant it. I know this day would come, I dreamt it.